Did you know that wildlife corridors are like nature's highways for animals? These pathways are crucial for maintaining migratory routes, allowing species to travel safely between habitats. Imagine a tiny frog, the size of a coin, hopping across a corridor that connects two vast forests. Without these corridors, many animals would struggle to find food, mates, and new homes. This quirky fact highlights the importance of preserving these natural passageways. So next time you see a patch of green amidst urban sprawl, remember, it might just be a lifeline for wildlife.